Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there is no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the outer door boot seal clamp in an LG washer. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a flathead screwdriver and a pair of wise grip pliers. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new outer door boot seal clamp. The outer door boot seal clamp secures the boot seal to the front panel. The main reason for the outer door boot seal clamp to be replaced is if it gets corroded and no longer stays in place, not keeping the boot seal tight to the front panel. This causes a water leak. Let's start with opening the door, and then we need to get on the floor and using the flathead screwdriver pry off the old outer door boot seal clamp starting at the bottom. This is the old outer door boot seal clamp next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing the new clamp, we need to make sure that the gasket, the seal, is on the lip all the way. And actually it's not, so I'm going to place it on. And only now we're going to install the new clamp. Place the clamp on into the groove with the spring at 6 o'clock and start from the top. And the left side. Alright, so the spring is in. Next we're going to clamp on the wise grip pliers right at the end of the spring. And jam the flathead screwdriver right around 3 o'clock. And pull on the spring and install the clamp into the groove. Then remove the wise grip. Again, make a visual check, then make sure that the clamp is on correctly, and then just pull hard on the boot seal. It's better stay on. It stays on, that means we did a good job. And now we can close the door. Plug the washer in and make sure it runs good. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other repair videos available on our site, on Facebook, and on YouTube.